Not every one of these lessons is going to be all that highly informative and have much teaching value, but what I'm doing is I'm going through my seniors and just seeing if there's anything that I can talk about that might have a little bit of informative or teaching value. So, such is the case today. So, when we're dealing with sunlight, which is often a very difficult light source to work with because of the high intensity and high contrast. It's not often that the person can look almost right into it and not squint. So she could handle it, so I used it, but I'll show a few other things that we did with the sunlight that evening. I turned her away from the sunlight and then used a reflector to kick some sunlight back into the shadow side of her face. I'm not super happy with this. It's certainly saleable, but it's not the kind of light that I like. It's almost getting into that confused lighting that I was talking about, where we've got the strong sunlight from our right split lighting her face and then lighting the shadow side with a different direction of light. But again, it's saleable, it's acceptable, but not ideal. Another photograph that I'm not super thrilled with, but this was 23 years ago and I was just trying some different things. And so I had her look down because I like the sunlight on her face when her face is in that direction or that angle. But just looking down looks like she just lost a tournament. But anyway, that's an effective technique that you can use, just not have them look at the sun with the eyes down. It was one of those cloudy days where the sun was sometimes popping out and then sometimes a cloud would cover it. So this is a case where a cloud passed over the sun and we were left with softer light. Not good lighting again because we don't have a firm direction of light. But had the sun stayed away, I could have molded or added flash or a reflector or something. I had more time to deal with it. But I just shot it as was. Now this is better. The sun was out, just not on her, so I used a reflector in a far corner of the court, the tennis court, where I could kick that sunlight back to her. With a mirror reflector, as the fuzzy reflector is, you can set it a long distance away from a person and still get some light into the face.